In this lesson, we shall learn how to load a file into Oracle 10G database object. First, log in to the Oracle system. We intend to populate a table object which has no data in it. To look at the empty table, click on Administration tab, and then scroll down to Tables under Database Objects in the Schema region. Click on Tables to proceed. Next, select HR as the schema as shown and click on the Go button. You will now see a list of tables in the HR schema. Scroll down and select the table My Countries as shown. Next, select the action View Data from the Actions pull-down menu and click on the Go button. Notice that the table My Countries does not have any data populated. To proceed further, click on the OK button. Next, click on the link Database Instance ORCL on the top left corner of the screen. We are going to populate the table My Countries by loading data from a file. Click on the Maintenance tab. Go down to the Data Movement region and identify the link Load Data from User Files under the Move Row Data. Click on the link Load Data from User Files. In the screen that is displayed, you can choose to generate or use an existing control file. In this case, we choose to generate it automatically. Enter username and the password and click on the Continue button. You have to now select the data file located on your browser machine. Click on the Browse button to navigate to the directory where the data file is located. Select the appropriate file from the list of files and click on the Open button. Click on the Next button to continue. You have to now specify the name of the table that you would like to populate using the data file. Note, however, that you can preview the content of the file to ensure that the correct file is being loaded. To specify the table name, click on the searchlight. Enter HR as the name of the schema and click on the Go button. From the list of tables in the HR schema, choose My Countries and click on the Select button. Click on the Next button to proceed. After reviewing the File Format attribute, click on the Next button again. In the Load Method screen, select the appropriate method and click on the Next button. Scroll down in the Load Data option screen and note the information on log file. Log file is an important file as it will help you to understand what happened in case the transaction terminates abnormally. Click on the Next button. In the Load Data Schedule screen, enter job name and a description. Click Next to proceed. In our case, a validation error is displayed showing that the job name is already used. Enter a different job name and click Next to proceed. Review the data and click on the Submit Job button. A confirmation message is displayed showing that the job was successfully created. Click on the job name to see details of the job. To see that the table My Countries was populated correctly, click on Database button on the top right corner. Next, click on the Administration tab. Scroll down and click on the Tables link. Enter HR as the name of the schema and click on the Go button. As before, select the table My Countries, select View Data from the Actions pull-down menu, and click on the Go button. You can now verify that the table My Countries has been populated with data contained in the data file that was loaded. We are done now. Click on the OK button and then on the Log Out button. Congratulations! You have successfully updated a table by uploading a data file.